hesitant cat maker because I made some and I want to make more. They are like so cute, like the cat maker emoji stickers. Down like it's actually so good.
With Sakai, you can turn your imagination into a game. Make a Fruit Ninja game, but Demon Slayer version.
Okay, here. Next. So I want to show you my album. What? I don't know. I created something. I think I don't say it. So, let's create cat.
With Sakai, you can turn your imagination into a game. Make a Fruit Ninja game, but Demon Slayer version. And Sakai will prepare for you.
Okay, so as you can, there's emoji cats and other cats. But I'm an emoji cat. I don't know about you. And then it like music is up annoying. So choose this one. Wait. Her hair. This one, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one is gonna be a white one. These are perfect. But these are gonna keep. I'm not gonna add those. Yeah. Using these, yeah. So like this. Okay, they're gonna be like blue eyes, like this. And it's gonna be. So I like this one. Eyebrows. This way. Give me some normal eyebrows. Yeah. Just these. I'll make like. Too much. I think this is weird. I'm gonna skip these. Looks like she's crying. Okay. Cute. Okay, so secret. I'm definitely not gonna add here. Little street. I think your mouth is a little off. Like. It's like full. Yeah, so we'll fully cover it. Don't do it. And here, that's it. Right. Wait. Here's headphones. Okay. Yes. And it should not. Oh my god. I'm gonna cover it up in here. It's definitely eating. Cherry. this. You look cute like this. These are earrings. Cute. Okay. I wish we could have caps, but we could reroll. I'll just save it. Oh, so, yeah, I don't know how to say it. Wait, body. I'm gonna show you the final results. Okay, I'm done. So it looks like this. I really love it. The butterfly shirt. A bit the butterfly shirt. Okay. Sit. Now let's make this. Okay. Okay, so it's the furry texture. Okay, there's a lot. But this is cute. I'm going to make this. Oh wow, I love this. Like this. My auntie's cat. That what? I don't have a cat. Actually, I don't have a cat. I don't have a cat. Might be lying to you. Nobody knows. Maybe some of my friends know, but nobody knows. Just tell nobody knows, okay? Nobody knows. Oh, okay, this is so cute. Oh, that's a lot of whiskers. I just want whiskers, okay? I don't want it crazy. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You're okay, Boosh. Oh, that's a whole beard for people. Like, tigers. She can be a tiger. No. That's covering her whole face again. Okay, she'll be black cat. Cause that's her fur, I guess. Ew, that's a beard. Okay, I don't care what we add anymore. I'm gonna show at this point. I think that was the print. Well, cats don't have prints, but yeah, cats have prints, but not like these prints. Okay, she's covered. How much leave off? I cannot even see anymore. Yes, I see it. Look it away. Oh, I don't think so. These are the scratches. That's the right side. That's the left side. Emo. Get emo baddie. Oh my god. Emo baddie. Sweet. Oh my god. That's not right. Butterfly. Like heart themed. Pinoyan. Her favorite color is yellow. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Brother.
With Sakai, you can turn your imagination into a game. Make a Fruit Ninja game, but Demon Slayer version.
How
and
is
Sakai
it
will prepare for you.
What?
It's okay, my child. Don't cry. Mommy's here now. Help the girls slurp up every last noodle.